Hi, in this video we will see what is SQRT function and how does it work. So this function is a short form of square root. So for creating this function we have to create one calculation field. And here I'll set the square root number as a title. So if I here type SQ, so we can see here the function, the Tableau will automatically recommend the function which is SQRT. So here you can see on the right side it is written the SQRT function returns the square root of a number. So so this helps us to find the square root of number, and it returns the value which is basically the square root of that particular number as an integer. So if I type here 100, and after that I'll click apply, okay, and I'll take this function and after that drop it onto the label, and then I'll click on drop down, click here and select average. So we can see here it is showing the 10. So if I check the value again inside the function, so I have set the 100, so we can see the square root of the 100 is 10. So if I change the value and set 144, after click on apply, we can see here the square root of 144 is 12. We can also use any random number which is just uh, also we can use the four-digit number. So as an example, let's just type as a random number 1234. And then click on apply. So we can see it is showing the 111.1, which is the square root of 12345. So this is how we can use this SQRT function, which is the square root, and it helps us to find the square root of any integer, and it will return the square root of any number as an integer. So this is how we can use this square root function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.